Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 4E Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with extended veranda. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a decent amount of space for everyone.
But the big highlight of this room is that extended veranda. There's not a ton of these rooms on the ship, but the ones they have are amazing.
Let's go check it out.
So when we first come in the room here, over on the left, we have our closet space. We've got the first side over here where we have a closet rod. You can see we've got our robes over here, Disney Cruise Line robes. We also have a shelf up top that has some life vests and some storage space down below for your luggage. The center section of the closet here, we have some shelves. And these shelves, you can see we got lots of space to store things on them. We have an in-room built-in safe there. And then the third section of the closet, you have additional hanging space, more space down below for your luggage, and the ladder for the pull-down upper berth, which is across the room. We'll see here in just a minute. Across from the closet area, we have our bathrooms, and it is a split bathroom layout. You've got one door here and one closer to the entrance. This door over here closer to the entrance, you can see we have a single vanity and a toilet in here. You've got a little bit of storage space down below the vanity, and that orange light coming out is actually a night light that we can switch on and off there on the wall, which is a really nice addition here. A little bit of counter space there on the vanity, but not a ton. You have some shelves over here to the right. You also have that big lighted mirror there on the wall and a couple other shelves across the bathroom right over there. The second half of the bathroom here, we have the tub and shower combo. You can see we have the glass door and glass wall here on the shower. Just the one single shower head, the detachable shower head there. We have the H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then we have the tub, of course. Our vanity in here is also a single vanity. A little bit of space here on the countertop, but not a ton. Some storage over here on the right-hand side, and then that lighted mirror with the little glass shelves next to it. On the back side of the door here, we also have a full-length mirror, and that's the only one we have here in this room. Over in the main part of the room, you can see a few pieces of the Disney Wish in-room celebration that you can purchase on the Disney Cruise Line website prior to embarkation. They got that all set up in the room here for us. We can see this queen-size bed has some storage down below. If we get down here, you can store your suitcases right under there, which is really handy. The bed runner has the Disney Wish logo on it, as well as the Disney Cruise Line logo. And the TV in the room is right here at the foot of the bed. It does not swivel or pivot. It just sits stationary on the wall, so you can't face it towards the couch on the other half of the room. Back above the bed here, we have a beautiful scene from Moana with Te Fiti there and all the boats down here. You can even see the little logo in gold on that one ship. There's a single spotlight that shines down on the mural there, and it does a really good job reflecting off those little metallic gold pieces. Really pretty. We found a couple hidden Mickeys here in the room. One of them is actually embroidered in the pillowcases right there on the corner. You can see little Mickey heads. The other one is actually in the lamp right here on the side of the bed. When you turn the light on, Mickey shows up right there. It's a very nice little touch. We've got a reading lamp here in addition to the regular lamp, and we have a 220 outlet and also 2 USB outlets. On the other side of the bed, we have the exact same setup with the lamps. However, we do have different outlets. This one has 2 regular wall outlets in addition to the 2 USBs, and then a USB-C, which is really nice to have. We've got a curtain here that can divide the room in half, and over on the second half of the room, a couch that pulls down into a twin-size bed. Folds down right on top of the couch there, so no additional floor space is needed. A little table you can slide over the couch there is also handy because it saves floor space. And then we have a pull-down upper berth. That's what that ladder is for. If you need to use either one of those, your stateroom host will assist in getting them ready for you each night and then putting them away the next morning. We have a beautiful piece of artwork over here on the wall with Moana playing with the water. Great piece of art there. And then across from here, we have our dresser area. The dresser area has several little drawers and a lot of storage space up on the wall, right by that lighted mirror. Some of the drawers are pretty small, like this one over here, but it's where you're going to find your hair dryer. And then the larger drawer down over here is actually your fridge. So your mini fridge is actually a drawer, not a traditional mini fridge. Over on the side of the mirror here, we have some additional outlets. We've got a 220, we've got 4 different USBs, a USB-C, and 2 regular wall outlets, so lots of spaces to plug in over here on the desk. That's going to be the main location. And of course, the main feature of all the Category 4E staterooms, the extended veranda. Cannot wait to check this out. It is absolutely huge right here on the back of the ship on deck 10. Great location. Currently, we have 2 chairs and a small table. They will have 2 additional lounge chairs, the longer lounge chairs. However, they have not come in yet as of this sailing, the maiden voyage of the Wish. So they're not out here yet, but they are going to bring down a couple reclinable chairs, so at least you have something a little bit nicer out here. You can see lots and lots of room out here on the veranda, and if you're lucky enough to book this and the stateroom next door, you can actually have your stateroom host open up the door there and connect your verandas. So back here right on the aft of the ship, beautiful place to watch, sailing away from Port Canaveral like we are right now. Absolutely love the extended veranda rooms, and there's only a few of these. I believe they're only on deck 10 and deck 6 here on the Disney Wish. So that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 4E Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with extended veranda here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe.
And check out all the other videos on the channel. We have a ton of room tours across all the Disney Cruise Line ships, and a lot of them here on the Disney Wish, as well as other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.